Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Chrome run faster on a Windows 10 PC. This won't cover ways to speed up your internet, but you may notice an improvement in page loading times by following the methods in this video. There might not be dramatic differences, but hopefully at least a few of these methods will improve your browsing experience. If you are using Chrome but not on a Windows 10 PC, you might still be able to follow some of the video. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first thing we'll check is that we have hardware acceleration turned on. This should especially help with loading and playing videos in your browser. To check, load up Chrome and head to the settings. This is found by going to the three dots icon in the top right and then to settings. In the Chrome settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on the advanced option to bring up more settings. Now scroll down until you find the section called System. In here, make sure the toggle switch is turned on for hardware acceleration. Let's move on to the next method. Stay in the settings for the next method. This time look for the section called Privacy and Security. It should be towards the top. Under here, choose Cookies and Other Site Data. This should load another settings page. In here, look for the option called Preload Pages for faster browsing. Turn this toggle switch on. If you can't find this or any of the other settings in the video, then you can always use the search function in the settings to find it. You can also turn off and revert any of the changes you've made if they don't make a difference or make things worse. Just follow the video again to do so. The next thing we'll try is removing any extensions that you have on Chrome. There might be some you don't need, and if you can remove these, they should help speed up Chrome. To check the extensions you have and to also remove them, click on the jigsaw piece icon in the top right of Chrome and then choose Manage Extensions. This page will now display all of the extensions you have installed. Click on Remove of any you don't rely on and then Remove again to delete these and hopefully speed up Chrome. Another thing to think about is any other applications that are running on your PC. It might be worth closing these or stopping any background apps from running and slowing down your PC and Chrome. Click the card on screen now to watch a separate video of mine which will show you how to stop background apps slowing down your PC. A quick solution as well is to not use as many tabs. The more tabs you use, the more your PC may struggle to keep up, and this will slow down your browsing experience on Chrome. The final way to improve Chrome's performance is to speed up your Windows 10 PC in general. There are plenty of ways to do this, and this includes things like freeing up space, ensuring the power settings are best for performance, and many more. Luckily, I've compiled 10 easy ways to speed up your PC, and you can watch those in the video on the card now. They should help speed up Chrome as well as your PC experience, and all those methods are easy to follow. And so that is how to make Google Chrome run faster on a Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.